Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one is black. Underneath it is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch 5-spoke wheels, black MB-Tex interior with a natural grain black ash wood trim, panorama sunroof, GLC 300, 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover, trailer hitch, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, heated steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, rear view backup camera, garage door openers, dual climate controls, hard keys for the media display, cup holders, turn wheel for the infotainment center, dynamic select for different driving patterns. This GLC has 22,740 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2019 GLC 300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.